I'm James Jones, faculty instructor at Pueblo Community College. I teach the welding program here at Central High School. By giving them the technical and educational side of the welding so that they are more prepared for industry. I've been all over this world with welding. I think that's one of the greatest things I've found to like about welding. You get to go all over the planet, meet different people, different cultures, different ways of life. And that's been very inspirational in my upcoming. Getting up every morning to be here to see students struggle and excel and get in what they need to be successful in the welding industry. To be able to succeed, you need to be able to fail. So get up every day, put your best foot forward, and understand that failure is okay. Try again until you succeed. My main piece of advice is that time is valuable. You have to make every last moment of every last day count. There's a lot of things in life that we can lose and get back. Time is not one of those. So we have to make every last second count.